The Nataraja temple at Chidambaram is located at the center of the world's magnetic equator. Chidambaram or Chit plus Ambaram, where Chit stands for the all-pervading consciousness and Ambaram means Akasham. Chidambaram is also known as Akasha Kshetra, where Nataraja performs his Ananda Tandavam. The temple has 9 gates, 4 of which have Gopurams. The eastern Gopuram has all 108 Bharatanatyam dance poses. The temple's architecture is such that each path represents parts of the human life. For example, 5 steps represent the 5 elements, 4 pillars represent the 4 Vedas, and 64 beams represent the 64 forms of art. In this temple, Lord Shiva is depicted as the Lord of Dance and is represented by an anthropomorphic Murti rather than the classic Lingam.
Tiruchitrambalam, Chidambaram, the temple dedicated to Lord Nataraja, the form of Shiva, as the Lord of Dance. He performs the Ananda Tandavam in this temple. Chidambaram is one of the 5 holiest Shiva temples known as the Panchabhuta Sthalams, representing one of the 5 natural elements. Chidambaram represents Akasha, space. The other 4 temples in this category are Thiruvannaikaval Jambugeshwara, water, Kanchi Egambareshwara, earth, Thiruvannamalai Arunachaleshwara, fire, Kalahastinadar, wind. The name Chidambaram comes from the Tamil words Chit and Ambaram. Chit represents knowledge. Ambaram is tower. According to legend, it was once a forest of Tille, a mangrove species of tree. The saints Vyagrapada and Patanjali are said to have done their penance and witnessed the cosmic dance of Lord Nataraja. Ambal is Shivagama Sundari. This is where Ambal first appeared on earth. Adi Shankaran received the Sri Chakram from his guru Sukha Brahmar at this shrine. There is a separate Sannadhi for the Sri Chakram. There are 5 sabhas in the temple. They are Kanaka Sabha, Chit Sabha, Ritta Sabha, and Deva Sabha and Raja Sabha. Let us pray to Lord Nataraja for the well-being of all. Tiruchitrambalam.